Hey, welcome to Tutorial Law. This video explains Kia Forte shocks and struts wear and possible causes and symptoms. Shocks and struts are parts of the suspension system that help control body movement, absorb road bumps, and stabilize the vehicle for steering, braking, and handling. Over time, shocks and struts gradually wear and lose the ability to dampen suspension motion effectively. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year or mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. Worn internal damping fluid and heat cycling inside shocks and struts reduce their ability to absorb road impacts, which can lead to a bouncier ride and less control. Damaged or worn bushings around suspension links and mounts can increase stress on shocks and struts and accelerate wear, contributing to premature failure or noise. As shocks and struts wear out, common symptoms include excessive bouncing after hitting bumps or rough pavement and a nosediving motion during braking. Visible leaking hydraulic fluid from the shock or strut body indicates the internal seals are failing and wear has advanced. Uneven tire wear patterns such as cupping or scalloping can occur because worn shocks and struts fail to keep tires firmly on the road. You may also notice poor handling with body roll or swaying in turns, increased stopping distances, or vibration during driving when shocks and struts no longer effectively control suspension movement. Strut or shock wear can sometimes contribute to unusual suspension noises such as clunking or knocking over bumps and at low speeds, often linked to worn mounts or related suspension joints. Solutions typically begin with a professional inspection of the suspension, including shocks, struts, and mounting components. A qualified technician can perform tests such as bounce tests, check for fluid leakage, and evaluate tire wear to determine if replacement is needed. Replacing worn shocks and struts with new components restores proper damping ability and improves ride comfort, handling, and stability. It also helps reduce related tire wear and can improve braking performance. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.